Hello class and all. Today I will be presenting to you all the agenda setting theory for the Media and Society class. What is agenda setting theory? Agenda setting theory determines how information that is considered hot, popular, or newsworthy, or even trendy to be presented to society and how it is presented. What are the objectives of agenda setting theory? It explains the impact of media on society. It educates society about the influence that it has. And also it is considerate of what does the public think is important. The originators of the agenda setting theory are Maxwell McCombs and Donald Shaw. Upon doing their research on this theory, they exposed the Watergate issue. Both McCombs and Donald Shaw regarded as a perfect example of agenda setting function of the mass media. They believe that the mass media have the ability to transfer the silence of items on their news agendas to the public agenda. Both tested the hypothesis that the media have the ability to transfer their own agenda to the public agenda. Now, who are affected by the agenda setting theory? Typically, you have the youth who catch on and who are exposed to trendy dances, songs, and games. As for adults, you have your technology as far as the latest, being presented to the latest iPhones. You have politics, special events, and also for the elderly, you have your news and politics. This can be considered or an example of you have Donald Trump and how the news present him with anything presented that he presents throughout social media or to the public as well. Now, how to avoid agenda setting. You may be able to seek out independent information about topics that are important to you. This can be considered sports, celebrity information, or anything of that matter. Now, you have framing. Framing is the transferring the silence of attributes. Throughout framing, the media influence the way we think. A media frame is the central organizing idea for news content. The choice of what to include, exclude, emphasize, and elaborate on supplies that it's presented to society. Like I explained earlier, you have your issues, events, and political candidates. Now, examples of agenda setting theory. You have news that may be presented. Taxing business owners is bad for job creations. And also, Black Lives Matter. As I stated before, the transfer of silence of the attribute objective in the mass media to a prominent place in our heads. The transfer of silence of a bundle of attributes the media associates with the objective to our understanding of the object. Thank you.